And I wanted to do another unboxing for you guys today, just to kind of give you an idea if there's any difference between things here in Japan versus in other places. Now, this is the new-ish Lenovo's Idea Tab. So we're definitely tech people. We love our iPads, iPods, all those kinds of things. We tend to lean more towards Macintosh products, but we certainly don't shy away from getting any other thing as well. My daughter has a Kindle, as you guys know, and we all have iPads, and yeah, it's just a crazy tech world, isn't it? So this is the new tablet by them, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like. I hadn't had a chance to even see it myself, so we're just going to be opening this up and seeing what's inside. I think it's always fun to just see the way everybody wraps things up sometimes too. So and we have to sync all this with our router, so we're going to have to open it before we give it to them anyway. So we've got a nice little seal over here that we can break. When you open it up, you get it cut off on this side too. So once you get it opened up here, you can see it's your average tablet size. These are all pretty uniform in terms of size. The general feel of this is it's a little heavy. Nice kind of smooth edges though, and has a good display area, it looks like. And you've got, of course, volume control over here, and power up on the top, and your ports here for headphones and to plug it in for charging with the USB. Nice little color combination here with the orange, so you can kind of get this tab out like so, it looks like. And in this box we've got documentation, it looks like. I love how small documentation is nowadays. You probably don't need to know how old I am, but I remember when, you know, gigantic phone books would come with things before CDs, right? No, so, but this is your documentation. You've got your like little quick start guide and all that kind of stuff in here. And then you've got cable inside here that you can use to connect to your USB ports so that you can charge your little guy up here. And then I don't know if there's anything over here. Let's see what's in this one. Nice. Of course, so that you don't need to use your computer. We've got your adapter for the USB, so you can plug it directly into a wall socket, which is always nice. And that's it, you know, pretty easy stuff, really. But I think, you know, with all the different people that have different things of these out, you know, my husband has a one by Google, and we've got the Kindle too. I've been a little disappointed in seeing how some of the apps are not available always for the Kindle as they are for some of these other you know, devices, so it'll be interesting to see. I don't know, you know, really how it all goes, but I'm used to always using my iPad, so I'm used to having so much space, and it also not being this heavy. This is heavy. I think, yeah, that wouldn't be very comfortable to have to hold and read and stuff like that with. So I always read with my iPhone, so I would need something a little smaller too. But if you're used to reading, you know, ebooks on something like this size, then I imagine that this could work actually pretty good for you. Looks like it has a good, you know, nice big display. So that's just a quick kind of unboxing of the Lenovo that you can get, and you know, it's available in the States. It's here in Japan. Probably about the same thing anywhere you get it. But that kind of just gives you guys a little quick look at what we got here with that.